Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is the job postings from today as on the date 10th November 2020. The candidates, those who want to apply for the right positions, please do watch my full video. The first vacancy is from Alpha Group and Certified Healthcare Management and Training Consultancy in Dubai. They are hiring for the following position of non-licensed home care nurses. Both the male and female candidate with an experience of 1 year can apply for this position. Candidate must have a medical background or experience as a nurse. Priority for the candidates who are willing to join immediately. The salary package is from 85,000 plus other benefits. You can apply directly from the company website. The next vacancy is for the position of Content and Community Manager from Publicis Emil in Dubai Media City. Both the male and female candidate with a minimum experience of 2 to 4 years in a similar field can apply for this position. The candidate must have completed bachelor's degree in communication, marketing, advertising, public relation, media studies or any related field. The salary package is unspecified. You can apply for this job directly from the company website. The next vacancy is from a clinic in Sharjah for the position of nurse with or without MOH license and dentist with MOH license. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can contact in the below provided mobile numbers. Next is an urgent requirement for the position of civil engineer and civil foreman. Male candidate with an experience of 3 years in UAE can apply for this position. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from Fairmont Hotel in Ajman for the following position of housekeeping attendant, electrician, pastry chef, HVAC technician, kitchen steward, hostess, front desk agent and server. Those who have a previous experience in a similar field can apply for this position. The candidate must have a high school diploma or any relevant degrees. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from Aster Healthcare in Dubai for the position of healthcare assistant. Female candidate can apply for this position. The main duty is to assist the registered nurse in the planning, implementing and evaluating the delivered nursing care to the clients. The deadline of the application is December 31st, 2020. Salary package is as per the industry standards. You can apply directly from the company website. Next vacancy is for the position of a female cashier for a restaurant in Abu Dhabi city. The salary package is from 82,200 per month. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of electricians from a contracting company in Abu Dhabi. The candidate must be available in the UAE. Salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from Danat Alain Resort in Abu Dhabi for the following position of bellman, valet parker, guest service agent, spa receptionist, spa therapist and paymaster cum general cashier. Male and female candidate with an experience of 1 to 2 years in a similar field can apply for this position. Must have completed diploma or hotel management. The salary package is from 80,500 to 87,000 per month. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from Landmark Security Services in Dubai for the following position of housekeeper, concierge male and female, traffic controller and porter. Those who have an experience of 1 year can apply for this position. Freshers may also apply. Must have done high school diploma. The salary package is as per the company standards. For interview schedule, you can contact in the below provided number. Next vacancy is from Wordpack Industries LLC in Dubai for the position of data entry operator. Both the male and female candidate can apply for this position. The candidate must be expertise in Excel and ERP system. Salary package is from AD 2000 plus transportation, accommodation and other benefits. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Hi friends, if you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel for more daily UAE jobs and for the job related queries, and also press the bell icon for receiving daily UAE job notifications immediately onto your phone. If you have any doubt regarding any of these job postings, please do let me know in my comment box below. Good luck on your job search and may God bless you all.